Hello everyone, welcome to Vivian's Kitchen. Today I'm making pumpkin bars from scratch. Treat of moist, flavorful sheet cake with luscious cream cheese icing for the ultimate full treat. Let's get started. Carefully slice the pumpkin in half from the stem to the base. Wash the pumpkin to remove any dirt. Use a spoon to scrape out all the seeds and string it out. For the best result, use pie pumpkin. Repeat the process to the remaining pumpkin. Place pumpkin halves cut side down on tin foil. Roast for 40 to 60 minutes or until the flesh and the skin is puckered. Remove from the oven and let the pumpkin cool for about an hour. Alright, it's done. Scoop the soft flesh out of the skin. For the wet ingredients, I have 4 eggs and 1 cup canola oil. Beat the wet ingredients in a bowl until well combined. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 and 1 half cup sugar, 2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, and 2 teaspoon fresh ground cinnamon. Combine all the ingredients. Then add the wet mixture to the dry mixture. Then add 2 cups pumpkin puree. Combine all the ingredients using mixer. Beat the ingredients until well combined. Spray the baking pan with non-stick cooking spray. Pour the butter to the baking pan. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes or until set. Alright, while waiting to cook, let's do the frosting. 1 and 1 half cup confectioner's sugar. 2 package 3 ounces cream cheese softened. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 2 tablespoon milk. 1/4 cup butter softened. It's all done. Looks good. This is so delicious. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share. See you next video. Bye.